everybody. Just a quick little video here to tell you guys thank you for all your support with the Tumakakari project. It's amazing how many of you responded to that video, and I really appreciate it. From the bottom of my heart, you guys really made a difference. I think we just about quadrupled the number of signatures we had. And this trail becomes a success. Those of you who went in there and took a little bit of your time had a lot to do with that, and we really appreciate it. Anyways, thanks you guys. Don't forget to check out the Joe Rockstar channel for all my latest videos. And if you'd like to support the channel, hit up a Patreon/Joe Rockstar, or go to my website www.joerockstar.com and pledge your support. Again, thanks a lot, guys.
Hey everybody, welcome back to the Joe Rockstar channel. So this week's Moto Monday is kind of not that great. I mean, there is going to be some riding in it. Don't turn it off yet. There's going to be some cool stuff to watch here, but I haven't really gotten out to ride much, and that is because I am getting ready to let the 500 go. I don't want to put any more wear and tear on it, obviously, and I also have a lot of work to do to restore it back to its roadworthy glory as a dual sport bike. I'm actually taking it with me today up to Phoenix to show it to a gentleman who's possibly going to trade with me for a different bike. I don't want to reveal any of that yet, but I do have some really big plans on getting more experience with different motorcycles, and part of that has required some serious financial commitment on my part. It is a little bit of a financial risk on my part, but I do have faith. I have faith in you and my audience, that you guys will watch, comment, share, like these videos, subscribe. Those of you who have taken that extra step and become Patreon supporters, thank you so much. You guys are really helping. And then those of you who bought the Joe Rockstar t-shirts and hats, I can't thank you guys enough. You guys are helping as well. And I have a lot of faith in all of you that this channel can be successful. And so I'm gonna take a little more risk, and I'm gonna see if I can't make this channel a little bit better for you as well. That's going to involve getting a little more experience on a different motorcycle and possibly a bike build. I'm really excited about about the changes that are coming, but at the same time I'm very, very nervous because this could really blow up in my face and I end up completely broke, divorced, and in the poorhouse. So let's hope that doesn't happen. Oh, something really cool is going on at the banquet. So they asked me to make a video for the banquet, and I did. And it's going to be my first time actually getting to see the audience reaction to the videos that I create, which is kind of nerve-wracking a little bit. It's got me nervous, but I think they'll like it. And I'm going to go ahead and show that now, so you guys get to see it as well. And it's okay, because by the time this video comes out on Moto Monday, the banquet's over and everybody's already seen it.
Oh, it looks like the artist who created that song, who stole it from Led Zeppelin, doesn't want it to be allowed to be played for people in the United States. So YouTube won't even play the video if I demonetize it. It just says you can't view it in the United States. So what we're going to do is I'm going to ask you guys to take a field trip to my Facebook page at facebook.com/JoeMotoRockstar, and there I'm going to post up the full video.
Anyways, I really appreciate you guys watching another one of my videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.